We're continuing our coverage along the shoreline in southeast Connecticut. That's where we find Fox 61's Steffen Reels. So, Steffen, I know that you have been really dealing with the elements all day today. What's it like now?
Well, this is probably the quietest it's going to be after this whole thing has finally gone. The wind's still proving to be a problem. Snow's pretty much settled at this point. Our Rachel Frank ruler kind of says, I would estimate about foot and a half. She can stay here for now. Hi, Brent Harden. But if we look across the road right here, everything's still plow, but it's still very slick. Look both ways across the street. But then you have situations like this, which piles of snow taller than I am, and that's just because there's no other way to put it. And that's a problem we've been running into across the state, including in places like New London, where they got more than double potentially the amount of snow they got from the last winter storm we saw just a few weeks ago. I had the chance to catch up with New London Mayor Michael Passero, and he told me that, quote, there is literally nowhere to put this snow. Now, the good thing is they've been able to keep the main roads open. They've also been able to send crews home for the night after they have worked about a 24-hour shift. The plan now, though, is to start hauling the snow away in things like dump trucks so that they can move things along. They also got a green light from the Department of Environmental Protection, along with other municipalities, so that they can put it into the river, and that will help speed things up.
There is historical precedent for this in previous very large snow events like this, especially in 1978, which everyone's comparing this to. So we'll be utilizing that process, and that will speed things up, because otherwise, in the last storm, we were hauling the snow all the way down to Ocean Beach.
Now, overall, Sarah, Michael Passero told me that overall the city is doing okay. They have the equipment, they have the expertise. What they need right now is just people's patience. But for now, live in Mystic, Steffen Reels, Fox 61.